SkyTour news for June 17th. I'm Amanda Curran. Although today seemed to be a great day to discover asteroids, not much happened on this particular day in space history. In 1909, 682 Hagar was discovered. In 1971, 2399 Teradus was discovered. The Felix Aguilar Observatory discovered asteroid 2997 and 3083 in 1974, and in 1980, asteroid 2586 Matson was discovered, all on June 17th. Luckily, we've had some incredible discoveries in just this month alone, including June 8th, 2018, the discovery of icy dunes on Pluto. Using imagery from the 2015 New Horizons flyby, NASA scientists have found icy dunes near the mountains that encircle Pluto's Sputnik Planitia plain. These ridges appear to have formed out of particles of methane ice as small as grains of sand and arranged into dunes by a process known as sublimation, where ice turns straight into gas without going through the liquid phase, dislodging sediment, which is then carried by the wind to form these dunes. Wind-blown sand or ice dunes are known on Earth, Mars, and Venus, but this first look shows the surface of Pluto is more geologically diverse and dynamic than had been expected. Observations from the New Horizons spacecraft showed regularly spaced linear ridges whose morphology, distribution, and orientation were consistent with being transverse dunes, as well as that due to the undisturbed morphology of the dunes and relationships with the underlying convective glacial ice, scientists suggest that this would imply the dunes had formed in the very recent geological past. Also on June 8, 2018, the discovery of methane on Mars. Appearing in the June 8th edition of the journal Science, NASA announced new findings of tough organic molecules in 3 billion-year-old sedimentary rocks near the surface, as well as seasonal variations in the level of methane in the atmosphere. While data from Curiosity revealed that billions of years ago, a water lake inside Gale Crater held all the ingredients necessary for life, including chemical building blocks and energy sources, organic molecules can also be created by non-biological processes and are not necessarily indicators of life. While not necessarily evidence of life itself, these findings are a good sign for future missions exploring the planet's surface and subsurface. Associate Administrator for the Science Mission Directorate at NASA's headquarters, Thomas Urbushin, said, "With these findings, Mars is telling us to stay the course and keep searching for evidence of life. I'm confident that our ongoing and planned mission will unlock even more breathtaking discoveries on the Red Planet." Lead author of one of the 2 new science papers, Jen Elginbrod, adds that while Curiosity has not determined the source of organic molecules, whether it holds a record of ancient life, was food for life, or has existed in the absence of life, organic matter in Martian materials holds chemical clues to planetary conditions and processes. Stay tuned as more on both stories are sure to develop. This is SkyTour News. I'm Amanda Curran.